Welcome to the Manufacturing Monthly Podcast, brought to you by MFP Seals. I'm Rod Seals.
And I'm Sprue Hopper. Great to be here, Rod.
Good to have you, Sprue. Today we're diving into a really inspiring success story. It's perfect if you're looking for some quick, insightful knowledge from the manufacturing world.
That's right. Our mission really is to unpack the, remarkable 20-year journey of MFP Seals U.K. They're celebrating a big milestone anniversary.
20 years. Fantastic.
Yeah, so we'll look at their origins, how they grew, what they actually offer, and, where they might be headed next.
Okay, let's kick off with that journey then. MFP Seals U.K., they're a branch office of the U.S.-based MFP Seals, right?
Correct.
And they started incredibly humbly back in 2005. I mean, can you picture it? Just Kevin Revel working out of a spare room in his house.
It's quite something. And what's fascinating, Rod, is how quickly they built momentum from that spare room.
Really?
Oh, yeah. By 2008, so just 3 years later, they moved into their first proper unit. And it's a space they still use today, actually. The company's growth, it really reflects the team's dedication. Kevin brought Richard on board early on, and they essentially built the business together. Then later, in 2013, Caroline Wells joined.
For the admin side.
Exactly, to manage accounts and administration. It just shows, the team consistently gives their best. They're all hard workers.
And that growth often brings challenges. I imagine they needed more space pretty quickly.
You got it. They soon realized, more room, more stock, more office space was needed, so they expanded into a second unit.
Makes sense.
And they navigated bumps, too, like Richard moving on in 2018. But they adapted, even through really busy times, and of course the whole COVID-19 situation. Lots of focus on phone calls and remote communication then.
That resilience is key, isn't it?
Absolutely, and connecting that to the bigger picture, their ability to adapt shines through. Phil Ratcliffe joined in 2018, focusing on new sales.
Right.
And even during lockdowns, they didn't just, tread water. They kept expanding product ranges, their customer base, their inventory.
Proactive even then.
Definitely. Then by 2022, Adam Ellis came on board for store operations. And this relentless drive led them to take on a third unit in May 2023.
A third one?
Yeah, just for office space this time. It freed up the original 2 units entirely for operations. It's a real testament to how hard that MFP UK team works.
It really is. So all that growth, that hard work.
Yeah.
What does it mean for their customers today, Sprue? What exactly does MFP Seals U.K. provide?
Well, they offer a really comprehensive range of hydraulic and pneumatic sealing devices, basically components essential for machinery.
Right, seals to stop leaks and things like that.
Exactly, in both imperial, inch sizes and metric sizes. This includes various U-cups, things like BV, 6226, RTL, HU, XPAC. And their metric versions too, MRTL, MSUC, metric XPAC.
Okay, quite specific stuff.
Oh, yes. And they also have a huge selection of rod wipers, piston seals, buffer rings, plus all the essentials like O-rings, backup rings, V-packing, you name it.
So a wide range.
A very wide range. They even sell replacement kits for popular brands like JCB, Charlin, Imperial Parker, and HYVA. Makes it easier for maintenance.
That's handy. And where do they sell all this? What's their reach?
Their sales coverage spans the whole of the United Kingdom, naturally, but also extends throughout the broader European market.
Impressive reach from that spare room start.
Isn't it just? And it's worth noting, too, they're a proud member of the British Fluid Power Association, the BFPA. Shows their commitment to the industry.
Good to know. And for anyone wondering where they're actually based.
They're in Lincoln, England.
Lincoln. A great city, not just home to MFP Seals UK, but you've got Lincoln Castle, the cathedral, the football grounds.
And a little fun fact for history buffs listening, Lincoln is actually the birthplace of the tank.
No way. That's brilliant. Seems fitting for an engineering-focused company.
It does, doesn't it?
So they've had this incredible 20-year journey. They offer a huge range. They're based in historic Lincoln.
Yeah.
It raises the question, what's next? Where do they go from here?
Yeah, that's the crucial point, isn't it? Their future seems focused on building on that solid customer base they have in the UK and Europe.
Makes sense. Keep growing.
Exactly. Continuously adding to the existing product ranges, but also, importantly, introducing new necessary ranges to meet what customers actually need. They seem to have this philosophy that, if you stand still, you're actually going backward.
So continuous growth is absolutely key.
That seems to be the driving force. Never stand still.
What an incredible 20 years. Honestly, from a spare room to this thriving multi-unit operation, It's just really impressive. Shows what dedication and growth look like.
Absolutely, Rod. And on behalf of the Manufacturing Monthly podcast, which is brought to you by MFP Seals, we really want to extend a massive congratulations to MFP Seals United Kingdom on their 20th anniversary.
Hear, hear. A fantastic achievement. And if you, listening, would like to connect with them, MFP Seals UK is located at 9 Evans Business Center, Gateway Park, Newark Road, Lincoln, LN6 9UH. That's in the UK.
You can also call them. The number is +44 01522 705 158.
Or drop them an email at mfp.uk@mfpseals.com.
So wrapping up, what's the big takeaway here?
I think it really highlights how crucial continuous adaptation is. That combined with smart expansion and just a relentless focus on the customer.
It's not just talk, is it? It's essential, especially in manufacturing.
Definitely. It's the blueprint for long-term success, really.
Yeah.
Something for every business out there to think about. How do you stay agile and focused for the long haul?
For Manufacturing Monthly podcast, brought to you by MFP Seals, I'm Sprue Hopper.
And I'm Rod Seals. Until next time.